In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams the easiest way, whether you want to maintain a bit more privacy in your interactions, or simply prefer not to let others know when you've read their messages. I'll guide you through this straightforward process. We'll break down the steps in a simple and easy to follow manner, ensuring you're comfortable every step of the way. Let's start by signing into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't done it yet, navigate to the Teams application on your device and enter your credentials. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Teams interface. This is where the journey to disabling read receipts begins. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window, where you're likely to see your profile picture or the initials of your username. Located just beside this, you'll find three vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing a selection of features. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option labelled Settings. Clicking on Settings opens a new window or panel which includes various categories to choose from. This is where you'll adjust a wide range of preferences to tailor Microsoft Teams to your liking. In the Settings panel, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Privacy tab. This section hosts privacy-related settings, offering you the flexibility to control what information you share and how you interact with others within Teams. Once inside the Privacy section, you'll want to find and click on Read Receipts. This is where you currently allow other participants in your chats to see when you have opened and read their messages. Located here is a simple toggle button for Read Receipts, which is generally enabled by default. To turn this feature off, simply click on the toggle. You'll notice it changes, indicating that Read Receipts are now disabled. With this minor adjustment, messages you read will no longer notify the sender that you've read them, thus allowing for a bit more privacy and control over your messaging habits. You're now all set. Just remember that doing this affects only the Teams application on your device, and these settings won't change how your messages appear to others unless they have their read receipt settings to match. There you have it, turning off read receipts in Microsoft Teams is as easy as that. Should you want to reverse this choice at any point, you can simply follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore other settings and let's make your Teams experience exactly how you want it.